What you guys, how we all doing? Warm welcome to country Vanlife, UK. Hope you're all well. Thanks for popping in. This is just a quick video on wind issues. Probably one of the biggest vein of any vlogger's life is wind issues, especially when you come to the Hebrides, like especially the Isle of Skye, because it's probably blowing gales in the winter time anyway, because I've been up here now for nearly 6 months. 99% of the time there's a gale blowing, or wind, or bloody rain and whatever, but it is what it is, and it's been a major issue with me trying to get vlogs done. You know, I've been stuck in the van sometimes. I just can't go out because it's too windy because of the noise issue on mics. Now lots of people have recommended various things as wireless microphones, Wi-Fi ones, you know, wire free. There's all sorts of adaptations and things you can do to help the situation. It's absolutely blown a hoolie out there. I'll go out in a minute and just show you my setup. It's absolutely blown at absolutely hoolie again out there. And yeah, I wanted the perfect setup with a selfie stick and the mic, and the mic extended enough so the selfie stick will have a tripod on the end of it as well. The selfie stick needs to be adapted for the Osmo, which I'll do. What I'm going to do, I'm going to change things up a bit now solve this, and I have solved the mic wind issue problem, because that's what this video is all about. Keep watching. Probably a lot of you do some sort of format of this anyway. You know, I've had lots of advice, which is lovely on it. The trouble is, you know, when I'm out so long in the van for 6 months, especially on an island like this, there's no shops, buy anything at all there is a co-op. So if your mic's breaking, I had about 3, you know, a couple of lapel mics, a couple of more expensive ones as well, and they've either broke, or the dog's chewed them, or I've lost them, and it's been a nightmare. And as you can see, one or two more videos when I'm out and about filming, that the wind can be an issue, and it does my bloody bouncing, to be honest guys. I hate watching videos with wind on, and I've been a culprit of it as well with this SkyeTour. 1 or 2 of my videos are a bit naff with the wind, and it does spoil it. It just spoils the enjoyment. Anyway, so that's all the issues I've had with mics, and I've sat down today. One of my mics that was faulty, I've managed to fix it. Now it's a mic with a 10-foot lead. That's what I want, because I want to be able to put the mic on this, put my selfie stick on the stand with my Osmo away from me, so if I've got sit-down situations where I need to have a chat, I can do that. Also I can just wrap it up, click it to the actual selfie stick, and do close-ups as well. But it was the wind more than anything, and the way I've got round it, so thanks for a lot of advice from people, but my simple setup here guys, I'm going to show you. This is my Osmo is just on charge at the moment. Excuse my back, sorry. And I've got a selfie stick. Simple selfie stick. I bought a screw-on base there. It screws on the bottom. That extends, guys. So as I say, if I want to do shots when I'm away from camera, I can do. Just put it on the stand, which is ideal, which is lovely. I've got my mic with my extension cable clipped to the side of the selfie stick there. It's an extended lockable selfie stick. Not sure what it is. The actual stand is from Ulanzi MT14. That's the actual stand that screws to the bottom of the selfie stick, and I'm not sure what the selfie stick is. I got it off eBay. It's got a nice cushion handle there. It's got all locking extension as well, so I can take it out as far as I like, and I can also, of course, use it as a tripod for a stand for when I'm filming either in the van or outdoors. And so I've got an 8-foot extension cable there to the mic. Lovely jubbly. We've got the adapter. You have to buy an adapter, one of those, for the Osmo to clip a mic in, with the C adapter there, and it's got to be the 2-ring connector as well. That connects into the Osmo there. I've got the Osmo Pocket with just an Osmo Pocket clip. It's not the connecting one, it's just the clip. It's not the one that connects to the actual camera itself. I didn't want that one because I want access to the buttons there for as well. I mean, I could use the actual Osmo stick, but mine's playing up. It won't connect to the Osmo at all. But it was a bit bulky. This is a lot lighter, and obviously that adjusts every which way you want that to adjust, which is lovely. that's my setup, and all I do is I connect my mic to the take some cable out, connect my mic to the bottom of the Osmo, lovely jubbly, and there I go. Perfect little setup, and as I say, I can get to the buttons there perfectly. Lovely. And with the mic itself, I'll just pull out the extension there, so the mic comes as far as I like. And with the mic, it's just a basic lapel mic, nice and cheap basic lapel mic. It's got a crocodile clip on there, and all I do with either my scarf here, my neckerchief, or under my jumper, I just click it to my jumper like that. And when I go outside, especially on really windy days like this today's, guys, when I go outside, I just do my jacket up or my coat up or whatever, cover up the mic there, so the mic is under there now. It's well protected from the wind, and it's close to my mouth. If the mic was connected to the actual selfie stick with the dead cat on, you're gonna, with lots of wind noise, even though you'll get rid of lots of the wind, the actual volume of your voice will drop dramatically because it's trying to compensate with the wind. So having the mic this close to my mouth here all the time, no matter how far this selfie stick is away from me, it can go to 8 foot away from me, it works perfectly. Anyway, I'll go outside. It is absolutely blowing a hoolie, and I'll do a little test of this, guys, just to show you. Lovely jubbly. Back at you in a minute, guys. The proof is in the pudding. Right, there's me filming me. We'll just get the Osmo rolling. I think we're filming there, just making sure that my mic is responding. Lovely jubbly. And there we go. As you can see, guys, I've got plenty of cable here. You can reach out to right out to 6-8 foot if I wish to, if I want to put it on a tripod, if I want to film me walking away or whatever, or an incoming shot. But right, here we go. Here's me filming me. Hello. Right, we'll go outside. It's really kicking up a hoolie outside. Right, I've shut the window, shut the doors and everything. Skye's down there. Hey Skye, say hello. I know people like to say hello. Skye, biscuit. What, Daddy? You got me a biscuit, Daddy? Yeah, I'll get you one when I come back in. You stay there, Skye, and don't you follow me. I'll go out the door backwards. I've got a leash there. I've got leashes everywhere to tie down points to keep her in the van when I do have to pop out the door. But I'm going to go out backwards, so we should be good. Right, let's go out. Test this mic now, see if it's working. Hopefully it is, guys, and I'll just show you. And it is blowing a bloody hoolie. Open the door, and there goes the door. I'll walk out backwards. You stay there, Skye. You stay there. Oh, it's really windy. Good girl. I'll be back in a minute, Skye. Right, just test this in extreme conditions. In extreme conditions this is, guys, because it is whacking. The wind is absolutely pounding. You can see the trees are rocking there. We'll go up here. It's even windier up here, guys. Let's take out the gimbal a bit more. There we go. Lovely jubbly. Right, you see the trees? They're rocking and they're rolling. Don't come a knocking if you see the trees are rocking, or is it the van? It's really blowing up here. There we go. This is extreme circumstances. It's about 50 mile an hour winds, I guess, at the moment. Christine's rocking. Right, I'm on this little line here. This is a typical stop for a country van life UK, guys. One of my typical van stops, you know. I'm quite happy to stay here the night. It's a one-way road. It leads to no end, dead end down there. Down there is the airport for Skye. Never hardly used. I think it's used for helicopters more than anything, but it's all shut down. It's all private down there, so no cars can come down here as such. So it's nice and quiet in this nice little lovely pine wood forest. The coast is just over there, the sea's just there, guys, and if I want to go for a walk down there, no problem at all. Lovely little lane, no one comes down here at all. Up there, guys, that is the Broadford to Kyleakin road. Lovely jubbly. Broadford is about about 2 miles to my right up there, and kayaking is about 5 miles to the left. You can see it's really blowy. This is a true test of the mic and my sound as well. Having the mic nice and close to my mouth, tucked under my lapel or under my bandana. Hopefully this is working fine. We'll come back down. Right, and what I'll do now, we'll come back to Christine. I'll disconnect the mic just to show you how windy it is, guys. I'm not sure whether this will work, but I'm going to disconnect the mic now. Now the mic is disconnected. I don't know whether you can hear me, but as you can see, it's blowing a hoolie. Really, it's blowing a hoolie. Something's clicking. I think it's selfie stick's clicking. I don't know what it is, but blowing an absolute hoolie. Hopefully we can see the difference here, guys. We'll come back to Christine now, and we'll reconnect the my mic setup. Come back to Christine. Right, it's connected back in. We're back in with my mic setup now, guys, and hopefully that will prove to you nice and live, more or less. It's really hacking that wind. There's Christine sat in this lovely lay-by, well out the way of the road. I'm tucked well in there, guys, so if any traffic for the airport should have to come down here, maintenance or whatever, I'm not in anyone's way. And there's lovely Christine, lovely jubbly, and the lovely forest that we're in, and that's the airport down there. You can probably see the sea just beyond the airport, the loch, and all the lovely mountains. Right, guys, we'll get back in and we'll wrap this one up. It's only a quickie. Lovely jubbly. Right, I think that was successful. As you can see by the 2 comparison clips, I started off with the my adaptation mic in, and then with it out with just the Osmo mic, because the Osmo mic's pretty naff. It's alright if it's very calm, but slightest bit of wind with the Osmo mic, and it's game over kind of thing. You get lots of wind noise. So I had the mic. The mic was clipped to my shirt here, guys, and all I did was zip that up, and the mic was under there, very close to my mouth, there to there. So I had plenty of volume on the videos, hopefully, that you saw in the clips just gone by. So there you go. That's my quick fix. Nice cheap fix as well. There's lots of expensive mic setups out there which I can't afford, but that worked perfectly, and that's going to be a bit of a game changer, I think, with the way I'm going to do my formatting as well. Because what I'll do in future, because as I said before, I was having files on this camera, files on that camera, files on the Osmo. I was having files everywhere, like 50 files from one bloody video, and it's matching them all up in data, and it was a bloody nightmare. It has been a nightmare. You know, try and put up about 4 videos a week, and it's really hard work doing vlogs anyway, doing YouTube, but without the hassle of all those files everywhere, you're having to pull in, get the data. Nightmare, absolute nightmare. So what I'm doing now I've sorted my mic issue out in wind. That will improve the quality of the videos a lot, so give me your comments on that for future. And what I'll do, I'll use my iPhone for my out of cab shots for driving along the road for my car camera. I'll use my iPhone for those shots. I'll use my iPhone for taking snaps and whatever, plus my camera as well, my this camera as well, for taking nice shots. So I'll use those for taking shots, but all my vlog videos now will be on the Osmo. So all the files are in one place and in date order. So that should make things a lot easier for me. Now I've sorted that mic issue out. Anyway, let me know down below your thoughts, what you think. It's a nice cheap setup. I think the lapel mic was only bloody £6 with a, you know, with a dead cat on the end of it. And it's getting that extension one, the big extension one's the thing, because you want the mic up here. I mean, I can, you know, in normal conditions, when I'm out when there's no wind, you know, I can leave the mic on the actual selfie stick, no problem at all. It won't be an issue when there's no wind. That'll be fine, that'll work a treat. But as soon as there's a bit of wind, just tuck that mic under your scarf, or under your shirt, or under your jumper, wherever. Just get it out the wind. Problem solved. Problem bloody solved. And it was bloody windy out there. I can tell it was really windy. Anyway guys, that's my little heads up on that. I'm sure a lot of you do some sort of an adaptation on that theme, but that system works perfectly for can't even speak. That system works perfectly for me. Hopefully anyway, we'll see in the future videos. Thanks for watching guys, and hope that helped. Any ideas at all of ways to get around these little issues we have? Great stuff. But wind when you're vlogging, wind noise, bloody awful. I hate it. Hopefully we've sorted it. Till later guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Cheers.